If I want to bring this to the timeline, the plus, add to project. Here we are. Double click it. I want to write in, let's write a title. And if we continue to write, it goes off the screen. Then I have to come here and adjust down. Not centered. Not the way a title should work. Here is title, quick text. Let's double click it. Double click it. Let's write a title and see how it's writing. And take note as I'm writing this. If I spelt it wrong, no big deal. It's centering. And that is something I want corrected. Centering correctly when I expand or shrink. Well, that's Wondershare Filmora 14 for you.